Namaskar to all. Now, today we are showing a practical number 7, like a friction. This topic, whenever in standard 9 10 in the subject of science, whenever you study very easily. Now, the surface two type, like one is a rough surface and second is a plane surface. You know very well, whenever the plane surface, the object moving very easily because no friction. But we using a surface like a rough. So that time you will found some friction, and that time the object moving are not easily on that surface. So whenever we showing a good plane surface, it is a mirror. Only the mirror have no friction. But without mirror, whenever the wooden have a lots of you found a friction. So now today, this practical, we found a value of mu L. It is a friction value, and that time we are using a two surface. One is a wooden main surface and one of the wooden block. Now we put wooden block on the wooden surface, and that base using some mass, and we found a value in which mass now the surface moving very easily without friction. So today it is our simple practical. So now today we start the practical number 7. It is a short name, static friction. So aim to study the relation between force of limiting friction and the normal reaction, and to find the coefficient of friction between a surface of a moving block and that of a horizontal surface. Now, normal reaction. This normal reaction we are using on top of the side on the block, and the limiting friction we using here is horizontal, and that base we found the value. So this practical we want some setup. Definitely each and every practical have setup. So this practical also one of the setup. So first, a wooden block with a hook, a horizontal plane with a glass or laminated tabletop, a frictionless pulley which can be fixed at the edge of the horizontal table or plane, spirit level, so very important, a scale, pan. With the help of pen, we found the value, thread or string, spring balance, weight box, and 5 mass of 50 gram each. It is a compulsory. So now here we showing some definition. Now this definition you showing on standard 9 10. Here again just revision base. First, friction. The tendency to oppose the relative motion between two surfaces in contact is called friction. Now second, as per our aim, static friction. It is the frictional force acting between two solid surfaces in contact at rest, but having a tendency to move, slide with respect to each other. Now third one is a limiting friction. It is the maximum value of force of static friction when one body is at the verge of sliding with respect to the other body in contact. And the last one is dynamic. It is the frictional force acting between two solid surfaces in contact when they are in relative motion. So friends, so today as per the aim, we found a value mu L. It is a friction coefficient value, so constant value. But with the help of like FL by R. R is a normal reaction, and FL whenever we given some forces, and that base we found the ratio of these two values and found the coefficient of friction like a mu L. So each and every practical starting with the observation. And this observation, whenever in the exam time, may be given from the my side or examiner, otherwise you written itself, etc. Anyway, so first we want the value of mass of the scale pen. So it is a 25 gram. In laboratory, you are showing in the pen already written the value 25 gram, but symbol small m, because here 2m we are using small and capital. So compulsory using a mass of the scale pen, small m, 25 gram. Second, mass of the wooden block. So capital M. So definitely 120 gram. And second, after third, small g. This value we found in the last practical number 6.1. It is a 9.8 meter per second square, otherwise 980 centimeter per second square. Now, you showing a one diagram. Now, this diagram you showing in standard 9 or 10. Like you showing a one plane surface horizontally, and that surface we using a one simple object. Now, suppose you want moving this block or this object, so that time the normal force coming upper side, gravity coming from the lower side, we are using a applied force. So normally we found the force of friction here. Now this practical have table. So this table have some known value. This value given from the examiner, from the my side, because in standard 11 it is a school exam. So you are not going in the board. You are giving the exam instead of my. I looking you. I am the examiner in your exam. So that time definitely I give you this value like a first column, mass on the wooden block, small p. So in gram, starting with the 50, each weight 50 grams. So 50, 100, 150, 200, and the 250. So we converting in kilogram. So definitely divide by 1000. So that time we are found this value like a 0.050, 0.100, 0.150, 0.200, and the 0.250. Now the second column, normal force, we are using given on the top of the side. So it is a known value like a P plus M, M life. So that time we are using a mass of the wooden block is a 120 gram. So every value of small p plus with the 120, so you found the answer like a 50 plus 120, so it is a 170, 100 plus 120, so 220, 150 plus 120, so 270, 200 plus 120 is a 320, and the 250 plus 120 is a 370. Now Q, mass on the pen. So friends, here one question. How can possible 70, 85, 100, how can possible? Because you have a two column known, okay, understood you, but how can possible the mass on the pen Q? So friends, now starting here I am live videos, and that time you are showing a live values. How can possible 70 come? First video we are showing some introduction like our setup, the wooden surface. So first video now I play here, you showing here our setup like both the surface and one the block, both surface the wooden surface. Okay, so now show you. So now as per the aim, today we using a setup like here. It is a wooden surface, it is a plain surface, and then after here now this plain surface have a one hook. Now we using a simple block. Now this block are moving here very easily with the help of some mass. So it is one of the pen. We put mass on this pen, and that was now we found here. Now this block are moving very easily without friction. So now we have some known mass today we using. So we using this one put on the block. So it is of 50 gram, and each mass like a 50-50. So today total we using a 250 gram on the block, and then after we showing here one of the weight box like a smaller. This weight we using in the pan. So it is introduction like a 200 grams. Now we showing here it is one of the 100 grams. Look like a 50 grams, like a 20 grams, 20 grams, 10 grams. It's very smaller, 5 grams, 2 grams, 2 grams, and 1 grams. So it is today we showing a weight. So it is a starting introduction. Now we using a smaller weight on the pen and using the mass on the block. We are showing here a two surface, like a one plane surface is a wooden surface, and we using a one block put on the surface. It is also a wooden. So now next step, we are showing a live practical. Now this live practical the base. So now we starting our practical. First how to arrange. So first we put a one plane surface on the table. Then after we put a one wooden block on the surface. We try our best number of friction we remove from the surface. Now first we using a 50 gram on the block. So we put 50 gram on the block, and that base we put some mass from this weight box on the pen, and we try our best. Now these blocks are moving very easily on the surface, and that base we retain our answer. So first starting with the suppose a 20 gram from this box, and we put very easily on the pen, and after we try here, but that time we are showing the block not moving easily. So we using 20 gram more on this weight box and put here. Again we check here. Now this block not moving very easily. Just try from here also, given some force from normal hand, but now it is not possible. So now 10 grams. So we using 10 gram more and put here of this pen, and that time again we check. But now again we show here it is not possible. Slide here is not moving. So this 50 gram is not possible. So we changing like we remove again from all this box and directly, because we showing a 50 gram is not possible. So directly we put a 50 gram directly on this pen. Again we check, not possible. So again we put some mass like a 20 gram more. So we put a 20 gram more on the pen, and that way we are showing a very easily this block moving. So here I think it is a frictionless area we have found here. So we calculate first how many weight we put on the pen. So definitely we show here. So on the pan it is a 20 gram, and then after we showing is a 50. So we calculate here 50 plus 20, 70. So here we found mass on the pan, it is a 70 gram. So then after repeat the practical with the help of this mass, increase the mass like put on the block like 100 gram, and again repeat the practical, put some value on the pen, and then after we found now these blocks are moving very easily, and repeat the practical up to 250 grams. Now next one. So friends, here we showing a live videos. I try my best in this critical condition. showing you this practical, because it is impossible without showing in the live in the lab. But no problem. In the after the school start, definitely we showing each and every practicals whenever we showing in the videos. But now here, this practical. So after we showing a live demo, so we using some values. So we solve the column number, next one, mass on the pen. So first value we found here a 70, and then after I perform the practical myself, and that base the value should become 85, 100, 110, and the 125. So next column, force of limiting friction. So that time we are using a mass on the pen plus small m. Small m means it is a value mass of the scale pen. Is a 25 gram. So 70 plus 25. So definitely answer 95. 85 plus 25. So answer 110. 100 plus 25. So 125. 110 plus 25. It is a 135. And so 125 plus 25. So 150. Now the final, as per our aim, we found a value mu L. It is a coefficient of friction. So equation are very easy. Mu L is equal to FL by R. So FL is a 95 and R is a 170. We using a gram only. So 95 by 170. So that is a 0.55. 110 by 220 means 0.50. 125 by 270 means 0.46. 135 by 320 means 0.42, and 150 by 370 means 0.40. So it is a value mu L, and after finally we want a average means mean. So each value like a 0.55 plus 0.50 plus 0.46 plus 0.42 plus 0.40 by 5. So our answer should become 0.46. It is our final answer, a coefficient of the friction. So friends, here also a very simple and very easy practical. So hope so you understood here very well. After showing the videos, you retain all the observation and all the values from the table in your record books, complete your record books, because after starting a school after Diwali, maybe I check each and everyone's record books. Before that, each and everyone just list every practicals one table of photos, pics like 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7 sent me in my WhatsApp number. It is for my record with your names also. Okay, friends. So next time we are meet here again with the practical number 81.